Most of us think of science, spirituality, and religion as being very different, but if you really begin to explore them in depth, you realize spirituality and religion are both rooted in science, and ancient cultures had this understanding. The idea for my second book, The Hidden Code, was partially inspired by realizing that the Bible explains aspects of our universal design by using numbers to encode the information. Ancient cultures were aware of this information also, as you see several parallels in ancient and religious texts. Various thoughts I had over a few years leading up to the moment when everything suddenly clicked had led to me thinking about the universe in terms of math, science, art, and music, along with realizing the importance of our connection with Earth as I completed my first book, Quantum Meta. It seemed like a logical line of thinking that the same idea had to apply to the entire universe, as everything works in harmony and in conjunction. Once I realized I had figured out how the Bible was encoded, I experienced a moment where everything suddenly made sense. It inspired a sudden feeling of understanding the connection of all things. Within the first 2 hours of researching, I had compiled and analyzed the first 200 pages of data. The analysis confirmed thoughts I had, based on remembering that there were significant numbers in ancient cultures because of their recurring nature in connection with patterns and cycles that were found everywhere throughout the universe in all aspects of life. Upon completing over 500 pages of research and analysis, I realized there were only a few recurring numbers connecting everything I could imagine, from planetary distances and dimensions, to orbital frequencies, to the subatomic, to galaxies, to natural disasters, to the periodic table of elements, to human and animal biology, to ancient megaliths and architecture, and everything in between. And these few numbers share a common decimal denominator. Ancient cultures knew something we forgot. Everything in this universe is connected by one principle and one number. Click the link below to discover what it is.